Welcome to the new age of e-commerce marketing. In a world where online shopping is growing exponentially, mastering e-commerce marketing is essential for any business. Did you know that digital marketing spend is projected to reach $600 billion by 2024? That's because effective e-commerce marketing is the key to driving sales and growing your brand. From SEO and content marketing to social media and email campaigns, there are endless ways to reach your audience. Platforms like Shopify make it simple with built-in marketing tools designed to optimize your strategy. With Shopify, you can easily manage your marketing campaigns, track performance, and adjust your tactics on the go. Use data-driven insights to understand what works and what doesn't, ensuring every dollar you spend is maximized for impact. Take advantage of advanced features like automated email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, and targeted promotions to boost your sales. Plus, with integrated social media and advertising options, reaching your customers has never been easier. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, Shopify's powerful marketing tools help you connect with your audience and drive growth. Unlock the full potential of your e-commerce business with smart, effective marketing. Shopify, marketing made simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more e-commerce insights.